Nestled on the serene Hamahiga Island in Okinawa, Japan, this extraordinary container home is a blend of modern living and natural charm. This architecturally designed container home promises a stay filled with tranquility, comfort, and unforgettable memories. From the front porch's idyllic scenery, this container home offers a stylish and functional living space that merges seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Adorned with high-quality furniture, the interior offers a luxurious yet comfortable stay. The open-plan living area features a spacious dining room, a kitchen, and a living room that can comfortably accommodate a large number of people. The living area features a lounge space designated by a floor mat and furnished with a comfortable sofa bed and a Japanese futon set that caters to both relaxation and socializing. In addition, the lounge area features a live-edge coffee table and a large TV to stream in your favorite shows. The glass doors also lead to a sizable patio that doubles the living area and gives it an air of spaciousness. From the lounge space is a simple, fully functional open kitchen that has stainless steel appliances and storage shelves. Past the kitchen is a laundry alcove. Of the living area is the first bedroom. It is equipped with two comfortable single beds, large glass windows that offer stunning ocean views, a large TV, and a plush sofa that offers a resort-like feeling. Next to the first bedroom is the first bathroom. It features a shower cubicle, a sink area, and a separate toilet. The second bedroom also features two cozy single beds, a TV, and a glass window for ventilation. The second bathroom features a wash and basin, a private toilet, and a shower cubicle. The color palette for the house interior is bright, making the spaces look bigger and sizable, killing any illusion of small shipping container spaces. Fully equipped with barbecue stoves, hammocks, and more, the outdoor space invites guests to revel in the sea breeze and ocean views on the rooftop. From outside, there is no secret this is a shipping container house. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible throughout the exterior, bringing out the industrial charm of this home. The roof gives the building a modern industrial look. This beautiful house in Okinawa is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Shelter Mode, where we share amazing shipping container projects from all over the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.